Hey everyone, I'm Masma Khatun. Today I'm going to discuss about lung auscultation. Chest auscultation involves using a stethoscope to listen to a patient's respiratory system and interpreting the lung sounds heard. Auscultation is a fundamental component of physical examination that can assist in the diagnosis of respiratory issue. So first of all, points of auscultation is we will do in this patient anterior and posterior side of the body. So now I'm going to demonstrate the anterior part of the body. Here I'm showing in this picture. First of all, here we go. We do the auscultation just above the clavicle for the apex of the lungs. Then we do the auscultation for upper lobes of the lungs. After that, we will do the auscultation of middle lobe of the right lung and upper lobe of the left lung. After that, we do the auscultation of lower lobe of the both lungs. Now, in this picture, I'm going to show posterior side of the body. Firstly, we do the auscultation of apex of the right and left lung. Then we do the auscultation over the scapula, upper lobes of the lungs. Then we do the auscultation of middle lobe of the left and right lungs. In the end, we will do the auscultation lower lobe of the both lungs. So in the conclusion, in this patient, auscultation was normal finding, vesicular breathing over the entire surface of the lungs, and there is no adverse sound. Breathing rate was 16 per minute on this patient. So overall, this patient was normal and healthy. Thank you so much.